Federal authorities announced Thursday that the FBI has launched an official investigation into alleged NBA gambling operations, naming Portland Trail Blazers head coach Chauncey Billups among the key figures under scrutiny, according to statements released by law enforcement officials at an afternoon press conference. The probe centers on claims of illegal sports betting activities and suspected connections to organized crime groups, with primary sources from the FBI citing possible links to the Gambino and Cosa Nostra families in recent indictments. Authorities reported that other NBA personnel, including Damon Jones and Terry Rozier, are also being investigated for suspected involvement. The lead FBI investigator stated, "This case reflects our ongoing commitment to integrity in professional sports. We are following every plausible connection to criminal gambling networks." The investigation comes amid heightened scrutiny of gambling activity in pro basketball, following recent arrests of players such as Jontay Porter on similar charges, documented by ESPN and official FBI filings. NBA spokespersons said the league is cooperating fully with authorities, but did not confirm or deny the specific identities cited. The immediate significance lies in the potential impact on the reputation and operation of the NBA, with league officials emphasizing the importance of transparency and accountability in their statement. This marks one of the most extensive federal inquiries into professional basketball in recent years. The investigation builds on prior incidents involving NBA personnel and gambling, notably the arrest of Toronto Raptors forward Jontay Porter earlier this year for allegedly violating league betting policies, as reported by ESPN and confirmed in FBI affidavits. Federal documents indicate the current probe was triggered by suspicious betting patterns detected on games involving the Trail Blazers and Miami Heat. The search expanded after investigators found alleged financial transactions linking Billups, Rozier, and Jones to outside betting syndicates. FBI officials revealed that the inquiry now spans several states, involving coordination with state gaming regulators and financial crime units. According to law enforcement sources, investigators seized electronic communications and banking records as part of the evidence-gathering process. NBA executives reiterated their stance on zero tolerance for gambling violations and stated, "We will impose appropriate sanctions if rules have been breached." Journalists from Bloomberg and Reuters analyzed public filings, noting increased pressure on the NBA as legalized sports betting grows nationwide, raising complex questions about oversight and risk management. Meanwhile, team representatives for Billups denied all allegations, emphasizing presumption of innocence and respect for due process. Multiple media outlets, including Sports Illustrated and AP, contextualize the current scandal within a wider pattern of sports betting issues affecting major leagues worldwide. Legal experts interviewed by Bloomberg highlight regulatory shortcomings, noting that rapid expansion of gambling markets has outpaced existing compliance measures. The FBI detailed a multi-pronged approach, combining forensic audits of player communications with surveillance of known criminal affiliates. According to court records, the case reportedly involves offshore betting accounts, encrypted messaging platforms, and third-party intermediaries who allegedly facilitated information flows. The NBA reaffirmed in its public statement that every individual under investigation maintains the right to due process and privacy. The league is reviewing its own compliance protocols, including mandatory reporting of gambling-related activities and enhanced whistleblower protections for staff. Analysts cited prior cases in European and North American leagues as precedents, arguing that industry-wide reforms may be necessary to prevent recurrence. While no formal charges have been filed against Billups or others at this stage, several NBA teams have increased internal monitoring and education on betting rules in response. On Thursday evening, Chauncey Billups issued a statement through his legal representatives, categorically denying all allegations and asserting his commitment to ethical conduct. "I have never participated in any form of illicit gambling and will vigorously defend against all claims," Billups stated to Portland newsroom affiliates. Representatives for Damon Jones and Terry Rozier either declined comment or did not respond to requests for clarification. The FBI noted in its press conference that all subjects have been advised of their rights, and no indictments have been issued as of 4 p.m. Coordinated Universal Time. League Commissioner Adam Silver stated, "The NBA is dedicated to upholding the integrity of our game. "We expect full accountability and will cooperate with all authorities." Civil liberties groups also weighed in, warning against premature conclusions and underscoring the importance of privacy and due process. Public reaction has included calls for thorough investigation and transparency, as fans and athletes express frustration over uncertainty in season outcomes and possible reputational damage to the league and its teams. As the federal probe progresses, stakeholders, including the NBA team managers, coaches, and fans, prepare for possible wide-reaching changes in league regulation and oversight. Experts predict new compliance standards may soon be required, including real-time financial monitoring and expanded reporting mechanisms for players and coaches. The FBI has announced plans to publish a preliminary report of findings within 30 days, a move designed to inform league policy and public understanding. According to Bloomberg analysts, this scandal may accelerate broader sports industry reforms, with business leaders and regulators collaborating on better risk management frameworks. Independent watchdog organizations have signaled support for increased transparency and stronger ethical standards in professional sports. For now, Billups, Rozier, and Jones remain under investigation but have not been formally charged. The NBA community and the broader sports world continue to monitor developments, while authorities reaffirm that all parties are presumed innocent until investigations are concluded and facts can be confirmed by primary sources.